This is the first step in cleaning the bag for the G-tube feeding. You want to have warm, semi-hot water. And here, opening the bag very carefully, there's residual milk in the bag. The bag is going to be filled such that the residual milk will be flushed out. This process will be repeated several times until we make sure all the residual of the milk has been completely removed from the bag. Now if you notice, some of the residual will still remain in the line. We will clean out that additional residual in the line through a prompt process where we prime the pump through the mechanism of the pump that's provided to us. All right. And what we're looking for here is we're trying to make sure that the water is nice and clear. Alright, now we're going to put some additional water in place, because what we're going to do is we're going to prime that water through the line. We're going to close the cap. Okay, after the cap is closed, now the bag is going to be moved to the line. After the bag is moved to the line, now we can begin operating the pump. What you'll see with the pump is you're given two options. One to keep the settings, the other to clear settings. Let's press clear settings. Now, if you look at the very top button, there's prime pump. Press prime pump. Now here you can see you have the option to hold to the prime feed. Sometimes you'll have an option for a auto prime. But in this particular case, we're going to hold down the prime feed button, and we will take the end of the G-tube, which is shown in the picture here, and we're going to have that sitting over the sink while we drain out the residual milk with the pressure of the water behind it. So now, what we're going to do in this particular case is we're going to take the G-tube and hold it over the sink, and now I'm going to press down on the button that says hold to prime, and when I press down on this button you can hear the motor beginning to turn. And once I hold this button now if I look here, you can see here we can see that we have to make sure that the line is unclamped first. Here you can see as we press that button now, the residual milk is being cleaned from the line. And we're going to carefully clean this residual milk from the line until the line is clear. And here you can see the milk moving through the line, and the line is becoming clearer and clearer. And we want to do this to remove the residual milk so that the residual milk will be cleaned from the lines, and it will eliminate any opportunity for bacteria. We should do this after every single cleaning. So we're going to continue to hold this button. And as we hold that button, we're going to see eventually the line is going to be clear. And then as well, we're going to see that the bag is clear. All right. Once this is established, then all the water can be dumped from the bag and also removed from the line.